Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to turn off comments on WeChat channel posts. So let's move. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your WeChat app. Having opened up your WeChat app, next thing you need to do is to click on Discover. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on Channels. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on this profile icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on your channel name. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on this three dots from the top. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on Privacy and Permissions. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on Allow Comments, Baggages Comments. Click on that. Then from this point here, you can choose None. Once you choose None, what you need to do is to simply click on Done from the top right here. So it's as simple as that. So each time you post video or picture on your WeChat channel, nobody will be able to comment on that particular post as far as how to turn off comments on WeChat channel post is concerned. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial on how best to use your WeChat. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.